Alright, so I don't do this at all. You know, I don't record my voice because I don't really feel comfortable with it. But I'm just gonna go on with this because I'm gonna have to get used to this and change the way I do YouTube, which I'm gonna be talking about at the end of the video. Hope you guys stick around for that. But I'm sorry for the sound. You can't really hear the skateboarding because my video is just taken down due to copyrighted music. I'm sorry, but you know, it's like I have to use non-copyrighted music. You know, just stick around to the end. I'm gonna continue talking about what I wanted to tell you guys. Thank you. Alright, so what I was saying previously on the video that I was just taken down due to copyright, I was talking about, you guys understand, how I want to change my YouTube channel. And you know, like by that I mean I want to, like, you know, start using cameras, you know, just like making edits and changing the ways that like I do videos on them, and like, you know, just put more effort than I usually do. But what I'm trying to say here is that, you know, I'm going through some tough times. I'm not posting every week than it's supposed to be. You know, maybe I will post it and probably be like 3 days later, but you know, I just moved from California to Argentina. Just, you know, it's pretty hard for me. Maybe to some people it isn't, but to me it is, because I don't know the procedures. I don't know what to do, what I can do or what I can't. But I just moved away from like amazing friends and family, and especially these two amazing friends. You know, they're like brothers to me, you know? It's just like, it's crazy like how much we've been through, and like how much we help each other out, and like I'm just glad they're gonna come visit me, you know? Like they're gonna come visit me. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna get every single moment, you know, make it last. And, like, you know, just, you know, I'm also gonna change some videos. Like maybe I might try something new. Who knows? But we're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to wait and see. But hope you guys understand. Thank you guys so much. Peace.